The 2006-2013 Lexus IS 250 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard, widely available battery. To replace it, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the fob. Some kits include a specialized key fob opener tool. Ensure you have these items ready before starting. This battery typically provides a fob range of 30 to 50 feet. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the keys are removed. Work on a clean, flat surface. Insert the screwdriver into the seam along the fob's edge, usually near the key blade. Gently pry the two halves apart. Carefully pop out the old CR232 battery and dispose of it properly. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up towards the circuit board. Snap the fob halves back together securely. Test the fob by pressing buttons to ensure it locks and unlocks the car. If it doesn't work, consult a professional, as the LED should flash when pressing buttons after a successful replacement.